Hello friends, good afternoon everybody. On behalf of online platform for the students of Life Sciences Botany for You and founder Dr. Pitambar Humnai, members Dr. Nishikant Vasai, Dr. Nikhil Labhane, Professor Deepak Koche, I welcome you all for 3 days national workshop on CSIR-UGC-NET-JRF lectureship preparations in life sciences. Friends, our today's first guest lecture is on nervous system by Dr. Akash Gautam, Assistant Professor, Center for Neural and Cognitive Sciences, School of Medical Science, University of Hyderabad. He completed his MSc and PhD from Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi. He is a PhD supervisor and completed major research projects funded by DST and International Society of Neuroscience. He published 7 national and international publications and also published books. He visited foreign countries like Germany, Italy, Japan, Malta for his research purpose. Friends, our today's second guest lecture is on central idea of fundamental process by Naneshwar Lanjiwar. He completed his MSc in 2007 and NET UGC JRF in June 2012, set in December 2013 and also GATE examination in 2009. He is a PhD registered and working as an assistant professor in Yashwantrao Chauhan Arts, Commerce and Science College, Lakhampur district, Bhandara from March 2014 and having 6 years of teaching experience. Friends, our today's third guest lecture is on plant hormones by Dr. S. Malathi, who is presently working as assistant professor in Botany, Government Arts College, Nandanam, Chennai since many years. She is a merit student in her BSc and MSc from University of Madras, and she also qualified NET examination in 2006 and done her PhD in 2018. She is the most excellent student in her academic career. She also completed 2 research major projects under Tamil Nadu State Council for Higher Education and Tamil Nadu State Council of Science and Technology. Friends, our today's fourth and last guest lecture is on photosynthesis by Mr. Shailendra Madavi, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Shri RIT Science College, Akola. He completed MSc from Nagpur University and also qualified NET CSIR examination in 2014-15 and also SET examination in September 2015. His specialization is mycology and plant pathology and published 7 national and international papers. Presently, he is doing his PhD under the guidance of Dr. Mohan Wadekar. So, do watch our online platform Botany for You and good day and best wishes. Thank you.